cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we're doing a quick touch up on this manicure. I don't think I've ever made a video like this where I show you how I do touch up on my nails in between manicures, especially if I don't want to redo my entire design or just restart the process over. So what I do is just examine my nails, and because I work with a lot of water a lot of the time, and the tips of my nails, it tends to wear off pretty quickly, plus my nails grow out pretty quickly, so I do have to go in and do these touch-ups from time to time. So what I like to do is just examine them, look for any chipping, look for the tips of my polish wearing off, and I just go in and touch that up. Sometimes it only requires me to add another layer of the top coat, and it'll make my nails pop again by adding that shine and everything like that. But sometimes I actually have to go in and put another layer of polish over these nails. Now for the actual ones with designs, sometimes I'll go ahead and create a new decal and put on those nails, but in this case today is only the tips that have been worn down. So I'm just going to paint the tips of my nails that base color that I use, which is white, and for the rest of the nails I'm going to paint them the color that they initially are, and then add a top coat, and that's pretty much basically it. Now if your polish is chipping and it looks a hot mess, you may just want to go ahead and remove the polish and just repaint that nail. But for the most part, I try to catch my damage before it gets that extreme. So every 2 or 3 days I'll go in and do a touch up on my nails, and I'm just showing you how I do that. And depending on your circumstance, every case may be different, so you just examine the nail and do what you have to do according to your issues. So yeah guys, that is what I'm doing in this particular video. So yeah.
So yeah, guys, we are basically at the end of this video, and you see how I do a touch up on my manicure if I'm not ready to do the entire manicure over. And once I'm done, I will sit under the nail dryer for a few moments just to let everything dry, and then that is it. So yeah, guys, I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. Ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoos, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm still on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally dick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on